Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram story saved audio music option not showing. Alright, let's begin. So if you want to fix Instagram story saved audio music option not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store, go with search, and you need to search for Instagram. Once you search, if you have any updates on Instagram, you just need to simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with the app info. Here, tap on storage and then go with clear cache. Now this might fix your problem, but if that still doesn't, then it means that you don't have the option to save audio on your Instagram story, because in most cases or in most regions, we don't have the option to save the audio music on Instagram story. So to fix that problem, you need to open up your Instagram, go with the bottom right which has that profile. Now here, go with the upper right which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll all the way down, tap on help. Here, tap on report a problem, tap on report problem again. And now go with don't include. And here you need to briefly explain about your problem, so you just need to simply write, "Hi Instagram team, my Instagram account story saved audio option is not showing. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Once you've written that, you just need to simply report the problem to Instagram, and after that, you might get some solutions to it. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram story saved audio music option not showing. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.